Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android black screen of death. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My Android black screen. My Android phone is stuck in a black screen when I try to use it. I didn't do anything before the black screen and I don't know what happened. I tried some solutions that I know and my friends told me, but I still can't fix the Android black screen problem. Does anyone know how to fix the Android black screen problem? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. No need to panic when an Android black screen won't turn on. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Button stuck. The solution here is to check button. When your Android phone power button is stuck, it may also make you feel that you have Android black screen of death, because the button is stuck and it may repeatedly cycle the shutdown state. Make sure that the buttons on your Android device are not stuck. First, check the buttons to make sure they are free of dirt, lint, paper scraps, or other debris. Then try to quickly press the button several times to release the button. After that, try to restart your Android device. Cause 2. Battery drain. The solution here is to charge your phone. If your Android phone battery is drained, your Android phone will not turn on, and you may mistakenly think that the Android black screen of death has occurred. At this time, you only need to charge your phone. Before charging your phone, check if there is any foreign object in the phone charging port. If there is, please clean it. After that, please use the Android device's charger to charge the phone for at least 6 hours, and then check again or turn on the Android phone normally to check whether it has escaped the black screen. Cause 3. Loose screen connection. The solution here is to gently press the phone from both sides in the front and back. If the connection between the screen and the phone is loose, the Android black screen phenomenon will also occur. At this time, you need to gently press your Android device from both sides in the front and back to squeeze the front and back of the phone together. If the connection is loose, then this can help you solve the problem. If your phone is equipped with a phone case, please remove the phone case and then try this method. Cause 4. A temporary error occurred. The solution here is to hard restart. The source of the phone is on but the screen is black, may be a temporary malfunction error from the software. To eliminate this problem, just hard restart the phone. Hard restart can eliminate these faults, so you don't have to worry too much about the blackout screen on Android phone problem. We have listed the steps to force restart phones from common brands. If it does not cover your brand, please comment below and we will show you the detailed steps. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons, wait for your Android phone to restart and hopefully your Android phone screen will be back to normal. Cause 5. Startup failure. The solution here is to perform a power cycle. Performing a power cycle can interrupt all software and programs running on the Android device, which is also one of the ways to solve the Android black screen but vibrates problem. If your Android device has a removable battery, remove the phone battery, let the battery sit for at least 30 seconds, and then reinstall the battery correctly into the phone. Then try to turn on the phone again to see if the problem can be solved. If your Android device battery does not support removal, wait for the battery to run out, at least 24 hours, then charge the phone for more than 6 hours, and then check again if the Android device can be turned on. Cause 6. Application incompatibility. The solution here is to boot into safe mode. The Android black screen problem may be caused by an outdated or incompatible app in your Android phone. To check if an app is causing the black screen problem, try booting your phone into safe mode. Safe mode boots your Android device without running any third-party apps. If the black screen problem does not occur in safe mode, then an app is causing the problem. To try the solution, follow these steps. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold both the power button and volume up button until you see a menu screen like this. Use the volume button to choose the safe mode and confirm by pressing the power button. Wait for your Android phone to boot in safe mode. If your Android phone display works fine in safe mode, find and remove the app you suspect may be causing the Android phone black screen. Once done, press and hold the power button and tap restart to restart the phone back to normal mode. Cause 7. Malicious attacks. The solution here is to hard reset. This measure is a little bit drastic, because it needs to clear away the malware along with all your stored data and content on the device. But if you have backups, then feel free to try it, as it's an effective step to remove all kinds of software-related errors and revive the system. We'll show you how to do that. Turn off your Android phone or wait for the battery to run out of power. Connect your phone to a computer with a USB cable. The next step is to enter recovery mode. It helps you access the phone's system settings stably even when your Android black screen. This is an official troubleshooting mode, so it's safe to try. Now, follow the corresponding steps for your Android phone brands to enter recovery mode. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Then, choose Yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select Wipe Data, Factory Reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select Yes to trigger the reset process. Finally, wait for the phone to boot up and see if the Android phone black screen issue is fixed. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix blackout screen on Android phone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.